Alright, so now onto a more detailed discussion of every type of blood vessel. So starting with the arteries, we are going to talk about their structure. This is a microscopic transverse section of an artery. So we cut it along its width and we look inside of it. This is what we see. This is a drawing. We see some distinct parts. This is the external layer made of tough tissue. This is what gives the artery its strength. Here is the middle layer, or the middle layers, of the wall. We're still talking about the wall of the artery. It contains elastic fibers and smooth muscles, and this allows for some contraction and allows for the change of the diameter because of the elasticity. So the arteries can become wider or thinner. And here we see a smooth lining. The smooth lining, this is the inner wall, the inner part of the wall of the artery. This is the part that comes into contact with the blood, and it's important for it to be smooth to allow easy flow of blood, so the least possible friction. So these are the three parts of the wall of the artery, and on the inside, this is the hollow interior. It's called the lumen. This is where the blood flows. It's empty on the inside for the blood to be able to flow. Around 70 times a minute, blood is going to be pumped out of the heart. And we know that blood is pumped out of the heart through arteries. With every heartbeat, every time blood is pumped out of the heart, we have high pressure surge of blood being sent into the arteries. And you can actually feel this by placing your fingers on your wrist. The pressure you feel is the blood flowing into your arteries due to the pressure every time your heart beats, which is around 70 times a minute. So because of this high blood pressure, the structure of the arteries should allow them to be able to withstand this pressure. They branch in every direction, and the diameter of the lumen, which means how much empty space we have on the inside, gets smaller the further it is from the heart, which means the three layers of the wall that we talked about, the external layer, the middle layers, and the smooth lining, are going to get thicker. So the further we are away from the heart, the more materials we have making up the solid full space of the artery and the less empty space for blood we have. So this is the structure of arteries.